Welcome back to another episode of Get Outside with GPL. My name is Kara Poppenshaw.
And my name's Tracy Torres, and today we're at Sheep Farm on Hazelnut Hill in Groton.
Originally owned by the Jabez Smith family, this property had been in continuous use as a farm since the 1800s.
This property is maintained by the Groton Open Space Association, also known as GOSA.
This volunteer-based nonprofit organization recognizes the importance of the protection of land, water, and wildlife. They provide open spaces for passive outdoor recreation in our community.
Sheep Farm was acquired by Groton Open Space Association in 2010 and covers over 63 acres.
The organization is currently working to secure funding to purchase Sheep Farm South, a 104-acre parcel that will extend the existing Sheep Farm property.
Sheep Farm is home to the highest set of waterfalls in the town of Groton,
as well as wetlands, vernal pools, meadows, and a mountain laurel forest.
Fort Hill Brook runs through the farm and down into Mumford Cove.
Educational signs along the well-marked trails explain some of GOSA's efforts to provide valuable habitats.
Many of the original structures can still be found on the property.
These include house foundations, stone walls, mill dams, and boundary markers.
There are also remnants of a grist mill dating back to the 1700s.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to get outside and visit Sheep Farm.
And be sure to share your pictures with us on social media using the hashtag
Get outside with GPL!